GCP's been working hard here for the last month and a half. They've got their first stage cofferdam in the river, and they are just about complete excavation for Pier 1 to start construction of Pier 1. There'll be 3 piers in the river ultimately, so they're hard at work getting ready to start construction of that first one. So they'll finish the excavation hopefully later today, and then start actually putting together the first pieces of that pier. The work immediately behind me on the east bank is they're doing earth embankment to build up the east embankment for the new bridge. So they're lifting this side of the river up so that the slope, the grade across the river is more gentle than it is. And so right now the east bank is quite a bit lower than the west bank, so we're filling the east bank. Well, I think we're right on track with where we were hoping we would be when we awarded. So it was fall last year when we got the award to GCP. At that point, they were hard at work working on their designs, completing their designs for what they wanted to start work on immediately, and then getting their regulatory approvals in place. So we were very happy with how fast the traffic bridge got started. And North Commuter Parkway Bridge, we're hoping to start a little bit earlier in the winter, but we're able to get our approvals and get to work within a reasonable time frame. So we're pretty happy with the progress so far.